Right,
All
welcome
right.
back
Hey,
to the Survival Debrief. Yes, as you all know me, I'm Stephen Kelly. I'm your host. As some people who's just tuning in for the first time, I've done 23 years in Commando Forces. I was a SEER instructor at 29 Commando, operated all over the world, and I've also had the opportunity to take on the most extreme survival challenge on TV, not once but twice, and that is Naked and Afraid. And I'm so happy with the guests we've got today, the brains behind it all, and that is the executive producer, David Story. How are you, mate?
I'm very good. How are you? I haven't done 23 years in the military, but I've done 13 years on Naked and Afraid, and maybe that's similar. I don't know. I don't know.
I think it's on par. It's craziness. It's craziness. But what I've set up here, David, this is called the Survival Debrief, and this is to talk to survivalists. And you're the first producer to give a bit more insight of survival TV shows and how they work. And these are quick fire. I'm never no more than 25 to 30 minutes. We don't hang around here.